Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to generate a QR code for your Simplebooklet. In just a few clicks, you can create a scannable link that makes it super easy for your audience to access your content on any device. We're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to share. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Share tab. From here, we're going to make our way to the Link Manager, and we're going to click on the QR code button. This instantly generates a unique QR code linked to your Simplebooklet. Now we need to choose how we want to use it. As you can see, there's two different options, the print version and the download option. The print version opens a page showing your QR code along with your booklet title, the URL, and an optional message. As you can see, we got our title here, our URL, the QR code, and then we can put an optional message here if we choose to do so. And we can go ahead and just click the print button to print it. And then we have the download option. This saves the QR code as an image you can use in digital or print materials. It's important to test your QR code. Make sure to scan the QR code with your mobile device to make sure it's working properly before using it anywhere. If you've uploaded a logo through your brand kit, it'll automatically appear in the center of your QR code. If you update your Simplebooklet's URL, remember to generate a new QR code. And like I said before, always test your QR code before distributing it. Generating a QR code supports the awareness and attention stages of the reader's journey by giving readers instant access to your content with a quick scan. It removes friction, boosts engagement, and makes it easier for people to interact with your Simplebooklet wherever your QR code appears. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.